if you've made a payment on Facebook and need to request a refund, follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Access your Facebook account. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. Make sure you are on the account that made the payment. Step 2. Go to your settings. Click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payments. In the left-hand menu, look for Payments or Ads if your payment was related to advertising. Click on it to view your payment history and transaction details. Step 4. Find the transaction. Scroll through your payment history to locate the transaction you wish to refund. Click on it to see more details about the payment. Step 5. Request a refund. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your refund request. If you have any issues, you can reach out to Facebook support for further assistance.